What you need, the tools and the gear you need to install a bracket onto your wet well sidewall. You want some dyno bolts, anchor bolts, you want some small open end spanners and a socket wrench, adjustable one. So these small wrenches are to loosen these arms off. You need these fairly loose to open and close. And you do that by loosening these two little nuts off here, bolts, okay? So they actually turn quite easy then. Attach your bracket first, mark one of your, get a marking pen, mark one of your holes, like so. Okay. That's your first anchor point. Okay, you've got your, now place your feed mast bracket over that first bolt you've drilled. Put your washer on and your nut. Bracket up by that first hole you put in, tighten your anchor bolt up so your bracket's nice and level. Okay, now drill 4 more holes using either bottom 2 or the middle 2 for the extra 2. Putting the washer into the well, you'll need these sort of parts. You'll need 2 45-degree elbows, 2 pipe pieces of various lengths. These can be different lengths in your feed mast. So I'll show you how you assemble, how the finished product should look in the well, but keep in mind these lengths will be different on some jobs. Bracket in the wet well, so slide it on, put your retaining pin through the, and just slot your little cotter pin through. Okay, there's the finished product there. Okay, and the bottom one. Stop. The washer, if you do not do this tight enough from rotating 180 degrees, it just slides straight in the top there.